Hey, do you know what day it is? Today is Friday. Happy Friday to all of you. It is also Family Fun Night, and I have a lot to do this weekend. I will let you know where we go for dinner tonight, and I hope you have the start of a wonderful weekend. It's beautiful, it's fall, it's a good thing. So I'm going to go do the things I have to do. I have to do some things. I'm sure y'all have things to do. Do your things. But I will be back shortly. And as always, have a great day. And I will... Oh, it's 72 degrees right now. So it was really cold this morning, though. It was cold. I had, I think, 3 layers on. A shirt, a warmer shirt, and then a really warm jacket, and I ran, but I did it. Anyway, I will see you later. Bye. Okay, so good morning. We are on our way to breakfast, and it's a new day, and I just wanted to tell you that we went to Cracker Barrel for dinner on Family Fun Night. And if you go to my blog, My Daily Life as a Wife and Mother, you'll see all the pictures of Cracker Barrel there, and a few recipes too. But anyway, we are on our way to run our errands, our Saturday errands, and we're at the gas station right now. And we're going out to breakfast, and then we are going to Costco and a few other places. But I will see you in a little bit, okay? I hope you're having a great day. It is 57 degrees on this chilly Saturday morning. So that's all for now. But go to my blog. There's lots of pictures. I took lots of pictures of Cracker Barrel last night. We had a good time. It was a good time. See you in a bit. Bye. Oh, look. One of the happiest places on earth. Costco. Oh, we're going in. It's going to be a good Saturday. Okay, we're home, and I'm going to show you. We've got eggs and green beans and a box of mangoes and cheddar cheese, big size. Okay, so I'm going to move to the other side of the counter, and here I have a box of single-serve hummus, 2 bottles of hydrogen peroxide, which the uses are many. I have 2 loaves of French bread, which are delicious any way you slice it. My fresh organic bag of carrots. I have some romaine lettuce and 2 large bags of cheddar jack cheese. Love this stuff. And as you saw, I had some bananas. Now we move on to this beautiful roast, this beef chuck roast. And then this is, I think I've talked about that before, the rotisserie chicken that they sell at Costco. Okay, friends, these are some things that did not make it into the house from Costco. This is our bottled water. And then my Italian sparkling mineral water. I love this so much. I grew up drinking Perrier, so I love it. Sometimes I get Perrier, it just depends, but I just love this Italian sparkling mineral water from Costco. And I also have my Soda Stream, so I try and drink a lot of water, regular, tap, sparkling, and then of course some coffee. And then I want to show you this. Okay, I want to show you these two we get at Costco. These are Coca-Colas from Mexico, and they seem to be a really big hit. And of course, some already are in the refrigerator getting cold. I do not drink soda. I drink soda water, but I don't drink any form of Coke or Pepsi, and I haven't had one in probably 30 years or so. It's not my thing, but if it's yours, that's good too. I always say anything in moderation. I just choose not to drink Coke, drink sodas, Pepsis, or anything like that. I do like my Perrier or my Italian sparkling, but these are at Costco, and these are a huge hit. Everybody seems to love these. Okay, it is time for some pumpkin coffee with some pumpkin syrup in my pumpkin cup. This is so good, so yummy. And then I'm going to put some pumpkin creamer in it with some pumpkin whipped cream. It's going to be completely pumpkined out. So I just take my K-Cup that I got from Sprouts and I put it in my Keurig and we're off. We are making some pumpkin coffee. If you could smell it when it's done, it smells so good, so yummy, so fallish. Okay, I'm going to give you a sneak peek of my beef roast, and I put it in a crock pot, and I put a can of Campbell's French onion soup over it, and I'm going to cut up some more onions, and then I'm going to put some carrots in there, and I bought just the regular carrots. I didn't buy like the baby cut carrots or anything like that, just regular carrots. I have to peel them and then I'm going to cut them and I'm going to throw them in here. I'm not doing my potatoes because I'm going to make mashed potatoes on the side with some, and I'm going to use this juice from the soup and the roast beef into a gravy. So that is a sneak peek of one of my meals for the week. Okay, so these are the carrots, and did I say that I got real carrots, not the baby? I know they're all real carrots, but I got just the organic carrots that haven't been cut or anything like that. So if I misspoke, I apologize. But these are the carrots I got from Costco, and I think I showed them to you in my haul. And they're the organic carrots. I'm going to peel them and slice them, and I'm going to throw them in the crock pot. Okay, so, and it's cooking away. Okay, and another thing you might be asking yourself is why such a big bag? Well, I juice, and I juice a lot. I juice all the time, and if you read my blog, My Daily Life as a Wife and Mother, you will see my adventure in juicing. I have a juicer and I have a Vitamix, and I love them both. They both provide different types of juicing, but I love to do it, and I did it at first I wanted to do it, but second I did it out of pure necessity to have safe and healthy juices for my kids. And that is how my juicing adventure started for Valentine's Day many years ago. My husband brought me home the Jack LaLanne Power Juicer for Valentine's Day, and it was one of the greatest gifts ever that I will treasure forever. And along with that gift, he also got me, years prior to that, he got me a bread maker, and that was one of the greatest gifts ever too. I love making bread and I love juicing, and so that is why I have such a huge bag of carrots, because they're good. So I'm going to clean them and peel them and chop them up. Okay, so this is the beef roast with the carrots and onion, and I put a few splashes of Worcestershire sauce and some freshly ground pepper. And I make it this way because my husband just loves it. So this is why I make it. And I'm going to, towards dinner time, I'll make the mashed potatoes homemade and a salad, and I have some fresh bread and maybe a green vegetable. I will have to go to the farmer's market because I was on the hunt for some green beans at Costco, and they didn't have any fresh ones. So I did buy some canned, but I like to cook fresh when I can. You know, we can't always. But this is my French onion pot roast, and I do make the Mississippi pot roast too, and that recipe is also on my blog, my version, and this version you will find on my blog too. And I will see you in a little bit. So it's almost dinner time, and this has been cooking all day, and it smells really good. If you can hear, those are my potatoes boiling. These are my potatoes boiling for mashed potatoes, and I'm gonna have to do a different green vegetable because my broccoli wasn't looking very good. So I need to put broccoli on my list when I go to the farmer's market also, along with the green beans. Okay, so I have fresh asparagus. I am super excited I have a fresh vegetable to put with my dinner. And the broccoli wasn't looking too happy today, so we are going to have some steamed asparagus with our dinner. And voila! This is the dinner all plated with the beef roast with the carrots and onions, the asparagus, the homemade mashed potatoes and gravy, the buttered bread. Well, hello, it's Tuesday. That means I have some errands to do. And I like to do them on Tuesday because after the weekend, on Monday, I like to make my menu plan and clean out the refrigerator and get everything organized. And then Tuesday, I like to go out and buy everything that the household needs. And I need to go to the pet store today, and I need to stop by Michael's. I have a coupon, a really nice coupon, so I'm going to go see if they have anything there. There's something I have in mind that I want from there, so I'm going to use the coupon for it. You know when they give you that coupon for 40% off, but you can only use it on non-sale items and everything in the store is on sale? That's kind of funny. But I need to go to Kroger and get a few things from Kroger, a few grocery items, and that's about it. But I do need to go to the pet store, and I feel so low. I feel low. So let me hire myself up. I don't know. Maybe it's a phone. I don't know. Anyway, so I have a few errands to do, and I just wanted to say hey and see how y'all were doing. I did a 45-minute yoga class this morning, and then I ran. And so I did that early. I do that before, you know, my day starts, so I don't interrupt anybody else's day. And I feel really good. I really, really love that yoga. It's amazing. It's amazing. As I'm getting older, I'm so in love with stretching. It just is a world of amazing things to an older woman's body. And you know, those mornings where you hop out of bed and you're just ready. I hop out of bed, but I have to stretch a little bit. Anyway, I am off to do some errands. I have to go to the pet store and Michael's and to Kroger. I think that's about it. I don't think I need anything else from any other stores. But I will see you on the other side. I hope you enjoyed my dinner. Seeing my dinner last night. It made the house smell so delightful. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Good morning. I'm about to do my yoga class, and I'm going to go for a run after that. But I got this all ready because I want to wash my makeup brushes. And I know you probably all know how to do it. You probably do it yourselves. I use baby soap and my little makeup stand and my makeup scrubby thing to scrub them with, and these are some of the brushes I'm going to wash. I have a few more in the drawer that I'm going to take out, but this is set out right here to remind me that I really want to do this today. And there are a few other things I'm going to be doing around the house to clean, things that I really want to get done. And so that's what I'm going to do today. I don't have any errands to run. We have school. I'm going to do some yoga, run, a whole lot of housework, dinner prep, and all that fun stuff. And it's a beautiful day. It's supposed to be in the 70s today. Hopefully it'll warm up a little bit when I go for my run. It's usually in the 40s. Anyway, I have got to start my day, and I will see you in a little bit. Bye. Okay, I am in my office / craft room, and I just was working on my gratitude journal. And in a couple days, the Breathe journal will be hitting the bookstores. Remember my adventure? I got the magazine, but now I'm waiting for the journal, and he said that it would be on the shelf at the bookstore by Thursday, so I'll be up there probably Friday. But I was working, I had a moment, and I wanted to write in my journal. And laundry, more laundry. I enjoy doing laundry. Okay, it's hard to do it when you're holding. Okay, there we go. I'm doing some whites. Boop, boop. There we go. And I'm working on my brushes. I washed all these. These ones I got off of Amazon. These brushes, these BS Mall. I got these off of Amazon, and I absolutely love them. So if you're perusing Amazon, look for these. And then I have some other brushes. I have some from e.l.f. Eyes, lips, face. And who knows where else I got some from. But I washed them and these ones are drying. I'm gonna need a new foundation brush. It looks like some of that, I've had this brush for a long time. That one's from Mary Kay. So these have to be washed, but these are clean, and I used baby soap on them. You probably could use maybe Clean and Clear or Sensitive, stuff like that, but I try to use a very delicate soap on my brushes. And what's more delicate than baby soap? My creamed chicken is coming along very nicely. I'm gonna saute some mushrooms and put them in there too. And then we'll go over our rice that I cooked and Italian green beans.